Hello dear friends, welcome my channels. Today's discussion is based on limit and integration. This problem is based on school level problem. Then first problem is limit x tends to a to the power half plus x to the power half divided by x to the power 1 by 4 and minus 2x to the power 1 by 4. This is the x to the power 3 by 4, a to the power 1 by 4, x to the power half, a to the power half, x to the power half, and a to the power 3 by 4 minus root 2 into log 4a. So friends, you will see that x to the power 1 by 4, if we take let x to the power 1 by 4 is equal to capital X. X to the power 1 by 4 is capital X, that implies X is equal to capital X to the power 4. Similarly, if we take a to the power 1 by 4 equal to capital A, so A is equal to a to the power 4, and as x tends to a, so capital X tends to a to the power 4. So friends, this equation is equals to limit x tends to a square, and problem is in here minus 1 to the power minus 1, and a square plus capital X square divided by a minus x to the power minus 1 minus 2 into capital ax divided by x cube minus ax square plus a square capital X minus a cube 2 to the power half into log 4 a to the power 4 equals to limit capital X tends to x to the power 4 tends to a to the power 4 divided by a minus x to the power minus 1 minus 2ax divided by x square into x minus a plus a square into x minus a and minus 2 square log a, and limit x to the power 4 minus a to the power 4 e minus x divided by a square plus x square minus 2ax divided by x square plus a square into x minus a minus a whole to the power 8 whole to the power 8. Now limit x tends to a, just simple calculation from here, limit x tends to the power 4 minus e to the power 4 divided by minus x minus e whole square minus 2ax divided by a square into a square into x minus e minus e to the power 8. E to the power 8. So friends, if you calculate more, then whatever you get, I get limit x to the power 4 tends to e to the power 4 minus x square minus a square into a square plus x square into x minus e to the power 8 divided by x minus a, and here also one portion is missed, that is this is minus 1. Here this portion is missed in the sum, and minus 1. So friends, if we see, then this problem is limit x to the power 4 tends to e to the power 4 into x minus e minus x plus e minus e to the power 8. So this portion and this portion cut, and we get limit x to the power 4 tends to a to the power 4 into x to the power 8 equals to a square, as a to the power 4 a to the power 8 is equal to a square. This is my answer. Very nice questions. So my answer is a square. Now let's solve another problem, this problem. So limit x tends to 0 1 minus 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x 1 minus 3 to the power I can write 1 minus 3 to the power x divided by root over 2 cos x plus 7 minus 3 equals to limit x tends to 0 1 minus 3 to the power x into 1 minus 4 to the power x into root over 2 cos x plus 7 minus 3 divided by root over 2 cos x plus 7 plus 3 multiplying in both sides, and after that whatever I get limit x tends to 0 3 to the power x minus 1 divided by x into 4 to the power x minus 1 divided by x into root over 2 cos x plus 7 plus 3 divided by 2 cos x plus 7 minus 9 equals to limit x tends to 0, and this portion limit, we know that limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log a. So this value is log 3 into log 4, and if we put x is equal to 0, so 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 is equal to 3 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 7, and also in here we have to do by x square. So this portion is minus 2 into 1 minus cos x divided by x square equals to 6 into log 3 log 4 divided by minus 2, and using L'Hopital, this value is this value, and another way this value is cos x, derivative of cos x. What is the value? Derivative of cos x sin x. So minus minus plus, so sin x divided by 2x, and again L'Hopital I use. It maybe it will be half into cos x by L'Hopital. And after that I put in value in here, limit x tends to 0, and 2 to cut. After that whatever I get 6 minus 6 into ln 3. So friends, our next problem is 3 minus 10 to 0, 2 box x, 3x minus box x, and 2 box x divided by 3x minus box x, where box is greatest integer, where box is greatest integer. So friends, whatever you see this problem, see this problem, that is if x equals to 0 and 3x is equal to box x, then fx is not defined where fx equals to 2 into box x divided by 3x minus box x. And if 3x is equal to x, then 3x is equal to box x, then at x is equal to minus 1 by 3, where the interval is minus 10, 0. Now case 1. So two cases will be arises. One case is minus 10 to minus 1 by 3, and another case is minus 1 by 3 to 0. So for case 1, minus 10 to minus 1 by 3, we see that box x less than 0 and 3x minus box x greater than less than 0. So fx means mod of x divided by 3x minus box x is greater than 0. So integration minus 10 to 0, you can divide mod of fx divided by fx dx equals to, this is minus 1 by 3 also, I can write that minus 10. So whatever I get the value is minus 1 by 3 plus 10 is equal to 29 by 3. Another case is arises, case 2. For case 2, whatever we get minus 1 by 3, 0, where box x is less than 0 and 3x minus box x is greater than 0. So fx is less than 0. So my integration minus 1 by 3 to 0 mod of fx divided by fx dx equals to minus 0 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So friends, my given integrations, therefore minus 10 to 0 mod of fx divided by fx dx equals to 29 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 28 by 3. Now we will solve another integration problem. Mean of 0 to pi 2 sin x 1 minus cos x 1. So let's start to solve this problem. So I draw each problem sin x graph. Another graph is 0 to 1 minus cos x, and this is 2 sin x, and this graph is x equals to 1. So here function is y is equal to 2 sin x and y is equal to, and x equals to 1 and y is equal to 1 minus cos x. You can see that mean values of this 2 sin x and 1 minus cos x comma 1. If we see that 1 minus cos x is the minimum value in here, 1 minus this graph is 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x is minimum value when it is touched in pi by 2. This portion is pi by 2 and this portion is pi by 5 pi by 6. This portion, if we solve x equals to 1 and 1 minus cos x, this portion is 5 pi by 6, and we see that our area is, this is our area, this is our area. So this is our area and pi by 2. How can we solve? Because putting the value x is equal to 1 and 2 sin x, then you get 2 sin x, no sorry, if you put x is equal to 1 in here, sorry, this value is y equals to 1. If you putting this value y equals to 1, and then you can get the intersection point. Intersection point is, one is pi by 2, this point is pi by 2, this point is 5 pi by 6. So whatever you get this way, 1 minus cos x 1 minus cos x 0 less than equals to x less than equals to pi by 2, and 1 is pi by 2 less than equals to x less than equals to 5 pi by 6, and 2 sin x equals to 5 pi by 6 less than equals to x less than equals to pi. So we get that mean value is 0 to pi by 2. So this integration I take, it is I. This integral I take I. So I equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos x dx plus pi by 2 5 pi by 6 and pi comma 5 pi by 6 2 sin x dx. So friends, let's start to solve this problem. X minus sin x into 0 to pi by 2 and plus 2 into integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x minus cos x into pi comma 5 pi by 6 equals to, if we put 0 pi by 2, so this value sin pi by 2, this is this value is pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, and another value is plus 0, and 5 pi by 6 plus 5 pi by 6 and minus pi by 2, then whatever we get, divide by 6 and 5 pi by 6 5 pi minus, okay, let's see, this is the very simple. Why I do this? 1 minute. This is the 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 2 plus minus 2, and cos pi is equal to minus 1, and minus of cos 5 pi by 6 is equal to plus root 3 by 2. So pi by 2 and pi by 2, this is portion cut. So my answer is 5 pi by 6 minus 1, sorry, it is not minus, plus 1 minus root over 3. This is my answer. And next problem is max value. First portion is mean value, so I mark in the minimum value is, this is the minimum value, this region. Suppose 0, A, B, this is B, and this is C. This portion is 0 region. And now the question is maximum value friends. How can I solve this problem? Here y is equal to 2 minus x, y is equal to 2, and y is equal to 1 plus x. Now you can solve this way. This is the graph. This graph is y is equal to 1 plus x, because y minus x and 1, so intersection portion is 1, this is plus and this is minus, so intersection portion is minus, this is x dash and this is x. Intersection portion is this, and this is y portion and y dash, and y is equal to 1 plus 1 x, and another is value is, this is the 2, this portion is, this is 2 and this is 1, this portion is 1 and this portion is 2. So I just draw this way, and this is 1 comma 0, and this portion is starting point is 1 comma 2. Now another portion is 1 plus x. This portion is y equals to 2 minus x. Intersection portion is this, and intersection portion is also this 2 comma 0. And this portion is, and this portion is also 3. 3 comma minus 1, this point. Now friends, our maximum value is this line. This line is maximum value is minus 1 to 1. This line is maximum value. This is my total maximum value of this bounded region. So how can we get the formula? We get this is the 2 minus x. So you see that this is the total region. So how can we get? We get that 2 minus x is going to continue this way, minus 1 to 0. So it would be minus 1 to 0, 2 minus x dx plus, and this is 0 to 1. So this value is 0 to 1, 2 dx. So whatever I get 2x minus x square by 2 into minus 1 to 0 plus 2x into 0 to 1 and putting this value. So whatever I get, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. Sorry, this value is plus 2 and this value this value is also plus 1 by 2 and I get the value is 9 by 2. Another alternative method is that this value is a, b, c. So alternative value is area of a, b, c, d, e. So area of a, b, c, d, e equals to, first is area of trapezium. So area of trapezium formula is half into parallel side, sum of the parallel side. So parallel side is 3 plus 1 into height plus 2 into 1. And that's parallel side 3 plus 2 divided by, sorry, first value is 3 plus 2 into 1. So it is 5 by 2 and 2 into 1 is equal to 9 by 2. So this is the square unit. So my value is 9 by, and my answer is 9 by 2. Next, this is the last sum in this video. That is 1 by 4. This value is I. 1 by 4 to 3 by 4, box x into d, box 2x. Riemann স্টাইলজাস রেইমান styled just property fx d gx is equal to fp into gb minus fa into ga minus a to b d of fx. So 1 by 4, 3 by 4 box of x into d of 2x x plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 box 2x into d of x is equal to box of 3 by 2, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. This type of problem is based on techniques. If you understand this technique, then you can solve this problem. This is nothing. This is not so much tough. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 4 box x d 2x is equal to 1 by 4 3 by 4 box of 2x into d of box x minus, and it can be written this way, minus 1 by 4 1 by 2 box of 2x into d of box x minus 1 by 2 3 by 4 2x into d of box x. Now we see that 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, that 0 to x to half, so the value is 0 in the box case. So box x is equal to 0, and therefore we can get this value is, first term is 0 and second term is, if we putting the value 2x and in case of half, then it is 1, then it is 1. So this value is half into 3 by 4 d of box x, and the value is 0 minus box x, and half into 3 by 4. And after that, if I put this value, upper limit minus our upper limit and lower limit, so half is minus box 0 to x into half, so this value is 0, and 0 less than x less than 3 by 4, this value is also 0. So this answer is 0. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope I can clear this concept.